In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the case of your AirPods 4 is not showing any lights. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the lid of your AirPods case and check if you see any pop-up on your iPhone screen or not. Now if you see any pop-up on your iPhone screen or if you see the signal of your AirPods in the Bluetooth settings, so this indicates that your AirPods are completely working, but the LED on your AirPods case is not working. Now, if you have opened the lid of your AirPods case, and if nothing appears on your iPhone, not even the Bluetooth signal, then this indicates that your AirPods case is completely out of charge. Just plug in your AirPods case into charge, and if you see this orange LED, this indicates that your AirPods has started charging. And even if you do not see this LED light up, just plug in your AirPods into charge for 20 minutes to an hour, and then check if your issue is fixed or not. And if you have the ANC version of the AirPods 4, then you can even charge your AirPods using a wireless charger. But if you have the non-ANC version, your AirPods will not support wireless charging. Now, if you have charged your AirPods, but if this did not fix your issue, then for the next step, just check the charging cable and the adapter of your AirPod and check if they are damaged or not. Try to use another charging cable and another adapter to charge your AirPods and check if your issue is fixed or not. And also check the charging port of your AirPods case and check if it is blocked by any dust or debris or not. If you find any dust or debris blocking the charging port, just clean it using a soft brush. And also take out the AirPods from your charging case and check if there is any dust, debris, or any corrosion at the bottom of your AirPods stem or not. If you find any corrosion or any debris on your AirPods, just clean it using a soft cloth. And also check the charging pins in your AirPods case and check if you find any dust, debris, or any corrosion on those pins or not. If you find any corrosion or debris, just apply some isopropyl alcohol on a Q-tip, then rub the Q-tip on the charging pins. Now just clean the pins and the charging case of your AirPods, then place your AirPods back in the case and charge your AirPods for 20 minutes to an hour. And after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your AirPods. Just take your AirPods to any service center and that will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if your AirPods 4 case is not showing any light. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.